Good afternoon, everyone. Today, will be focused on my career. The objective of this speaker are three portions. One, to introduce where I came from. To introduce what my professional areas are. To introduce what I'm doing now. In order to meet this goal, I would like to talk about the three parts. First part is my education. Second part is my working experience. Third part is what I'm doing now. My education. I graduated in 1982 from Huazhong University of Science and Technology. So that's called HUST. If you search the website, you can find this university. It is the top 15 university in China. It's located in Wuhan, Hubei province, exactly the center of China. My major was applied physics. After I got my bachelor's degree, I continued my education. That from 1984, that means I continued my education 2 years later after graduate from college. I got my master's degree of science. My major was solid state physics. And then I started my PhD program in 1989. My major was electronic and optical engineering. So I got my PhD degree in 1993, 4 years. My PhD thesis topic is laser material interaction. Like everybody knows, when high power laser is radiated on some material, like accidentally shining on your skin, you will burn, sometimes even worse than that. But different laser beam, like different power density, different wavelengths, interact with different material, like the human skin, like the metal, wood, how the material absorbs the laser energy, how the temperature rising, how the material melts or evaporates or change the structure. So that's the research topic that I was doing. My working experience, I started to work right after I got my bachelor's degree. So I worked as a teaching assistant with HUST, that's the same university. I was teaching physics and the physics experiments. And I was promoted to lecturer in 1987. In 1995, I went to Singapore National University, and I worked as a postdoctoral fellow in EE department. My research area is laser optics and laser microprocessing. Basically, that's the application area of laser material interaction. After 1.5 years later, I got an offer to work as a senior research engineer with Data Security Institute of Singapore. It is a government research institute. And 2 years later, I was promoted to principal research engineer. I was the first winner of Outstanding Technical Staff Award and the first winner of Outstanding University Research Award within this organization. In 2001, I switched from government research institute to industrial R&D. I came to United States. I worked as a senior optoelectronic engineer with aerotechnologies, which is located in Southern California near Los Angeles. Since it was a startup company, it closed the door 1 year later. So I switched my job to Northern California and to work as a senior R&D engineer. And later in 2005, I was promoted to engineering manager with Antonis Corporation. I worked there for 4 years. In 2006, I came to Tucson to inspector physics. I worked as a staff product development engineer here and working on laser packaging design and process development. So that's my working experience. What I'm doing now, I'm working on the project Hermes H2 and H3. As you know, H2 already in the production stage. So I just started H3 design. So that will be next generation product with much more high power, much more brightness, and a much lower cost, dollar per watt. So in conclusion, I came from China. My professional area is focused on the optoelectronic device development and design and development. I have over 12 years working in this area. I'm currently working in the H2 and H3 Hermes project. I would like to cooperate with every one of you to contribute the success of spectral physics of Tucson. Thank you.